Very good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the psychology classroom. I hope, children, you all are revising. Now, you all have given revision test of each and every subjects as well as each and every chapters. Now you are going to give your pre-board exam. So be prepared for that one. If I talk about psychology, so 4 chapters are covering. Please give your best, children. I am discussing in this video and recently in these videos the last chapter, which is social influence and group processes. I had done the revision of the each and every topic with you all. I don't think so I have left any of the topic with you all. I had explained you all each of the topic, then I had done the revision also of each of the topic. So video is the best medium for you all to do the revision. In the last video, means in the yesterday video, I had started with you the revision of the chapter social influence and group processes, where I discussed with you about the group. What is group, what are its features, what are its related terms. Now today in this video I will move further. I am going to discuss with you the next topic, which is why do people join group? Why do people join group? I think you also know the answer of this particular question. Why do people join group? लोग ग्रुप क्यों ज्वाइन करते हैं? Why so they join the group? Obviously there is some reason for joining the group. ग्रुप ज्वाइन करने का कोई तो रीजन होगा. तो there are different reasons for which the people join the group. First, obviously the first reason is the security. If you remember and if you have studied the Maslow's hierarchy of need, so Maslow ने needs में बताए हैं. In this way Maslow ने hierarchy बनाई, इसमें सबसे पहला need उन्होंने रखा जिसे बायोलॉजिकल. बायोलॉजिकल नीड के बाद ही जो नेक्स्ट नीड थी वो थी सेफ्टी. मैस्लो ने कहा, अब्राहम मैस्लो जो कि एक बहुत बड़े ह्यूमनिस्ट हैं, उन्होंने कहा कि पर्सन की जब बायोलॉजिकल नीड फुलफिल हो जाती है तो उसे सेफ्टी चाहिए. एवरीवन वांट्स टू बी सेफ एंड सिक्योर. Even the animals also, they want to be safe and secure. So obviously the humans. Why not the humans? So why do people join group? People join group for security. People want, it is a tendency of the human being that human being think that we feel secure in the group. हम ग्रुप में होते हैं तो हम सिक्योर होते हैं, सेफ होते हैं. हम ग्रुप में हैं तो इसका मतलब हम सिक्योर हैं और सेफ हैं. That is the meaning of security. पीपल इस ग्रुप इसलिए भी ज्वाइन करते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि हम ग्रुप में हैं तो हम सिक्योर हैं। ग्रुप कैन बी एनीथिंग चिल्ड्रन, आपका फैमिली, योर फैमिली इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द ग्रुप। family in the guidance of different members of the family, we feel secure, we feel safe. So for security we join group. Second, status. We join the group for the status. To be in a group, ग्रुप में रहने से हमें कहीं ना कहीं एक स्टेटस मिलता है, एक आइडेंटिटी मिलती है। द ग्रुप गिव्स यू एन आइडेंटिटी दैट दिस इज यू। ग्रुप गिव्स यू अ सिक्योरिटी, ग्रुप गिव्स यू एन आइडेंटिटी विच इज रिक्वायर्ड बाय एवरीवन। नाउ व्हाट कैन बी द नेक्स्ट रीजन फॉर जॉइनिंग द ग्रुप? Cohesiveness, which is known as belongingness. Again, remind of the Maslow need that everybody wants biological need, but safety need होती है, और safety के बाद क्या होती है? Belongingness need होती है। belongingness need क्या होती है? What is the meaning of belongingness need? Mean everybody wants to be loved, respect and care. हर एक इंसान, even the animals also want the love, care. तो human being तो हम इंसान हैं जिन्हें चाहिए, जिन्हें care चाहिए, who require that somebody care them, somebody respect them, love them, give them the attention. So we join the group for this requirement of us, for cohesiveness, for belongingness. We join the group. So we join the group for security, for status, for cohesiveness. Okay. What can be the next another reason for joining the group? Firstly, you note down these 3 points. Okay, is it done? Now, what can be the another reason for joining the group? So people join the group for satisfying one's psychological need. Satisfying one's psychological need. See, human being is not only governed by the biological need. ह्यूमन बींग्स की सिर्फ बायोलॉजिकल नीड नहीं होती, उसकी कुछ साइकोलॉजिकल नीड भी होती है, जिसे कौन सेटिस्फाई करता है? ग्रुप। एक ग्रुप सेटिस्फाई करता है उसकी साइकोलॉजिकल नीड को। ठीक है? सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द रीजन फॉर विच द पीपल ज्वाइन द ग्रुप, फॉर सिक्योरिटी, फॉर स्टेटस, फॉर कोहेसिवनेस, for satisfying one's psychological need. Okay, I hope you understand this topic and written also properly, done the revision. Now we are going to understand the next topic. with you. What are the types of group? Types of groups. Types of group. So what are the types of group? So group के types different parts में divided हैं. First is primary and secondary group. Second, in group and out group. Third, formal group, formal and informal group. Formal and informal group. Primary and secondary group, in group and out group, formal and informal group. Please note down these types of group also, so that we are going to discuss about it one by one. So let's discuss about first, which is primary group and secondary group. Here I am going to write down primary group. Now I am going to write down secondary group. So what is primary group and what is secondary group? प्राइमरी ग्रुप जो पर्सन का सबसे पहला ग्रुप है, जैसे कि फैमिली, उसकी फैमिली जो है वो प्राइमरी ग्रुप है. उसके बाद जो वो सेकेंड ग्रुप ज्वाइन करता है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल स्कूल पर्सन का सेकेंडरी ग्रुप है. प्राइमरी ग्रुप जो होता है वो एक तरह से इनफॉर्मल ग्रुप होता है, but secondary group is a formal group. ये unstructured and organized होता है, unstructured and disorganized. And ये जो है secondary group वो आपका बहुत ही structured, it is very much structured and organized. So primary group basically वो ग्रुप जो पहला है and secondary group जो उसके बाद आया है. Next type of group, formal group informal group. फॉर्मल ग्रुप जो होता है, सबसे पहला फॉर्मल है तो यानी इट इज वेरी मच structured and organized. Structured and organized. On the other hand, इनफॉर्मल ग्रुप जो होगा वो अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड एंड अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड। अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड एंड अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड। फॉर्मल ग्रुप जितना स्ट्रक्चर्ड और ऑर्गेनाइज्ड होगा, इनफॉर्मल ग्रुप अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड और अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड होगा। फॉर्मल ग्रुप में आपका स्कूल आ जाएगा, ये आपका फॉर्मल ग्रुप है, स्कूल या किसी क्लब, एनी क्लब, ठीक है। इनफॉर्मल ग्रुप बट ऑब्वियसली आपकी फैमिली, ये आपका इनफॉर्मल ग्रुप है। योर पीयर ग्रुप्स, आपका पीयर ग्रुप जो है वो भी एक इनफॉर्मल ग्रुप है, ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट कैटेगराइजेशन ऑफ द टाइप्स ऑफ ग्रुप्स। I just hope आपने इसे नोट डाउन किया होगा and you all are understanding it also. The next category of the group is in group and out group. But obviously in group means our group. In group means our group, जो हमारा ग्रुप है। Out group means other group, other group. In group मतलब वो ग्रुप जो हम हैं, and out group means कोई और ग्रुप, other group। इन ग्रुप के लिए हमारे अंदर we feeling होती है, we feeling। बट out group क्या है? We have a they feeling। इन ग्रुप के लिए we feeling आएगी, out ग्रुप के लिए they feeling। So the groups are also divided into different parts: primary group, secondary group, formal group, informal group, in group and out group. I hope you all are doing the revisions with me. We understood what is group, what are its features, why do people join group, what are the types of group. Now the next topic which we are going to discuss about is group formation, how the groups are formed, ठीक है। What is the basis, what is the main points, how the groups are formed, group कैसे बन जाते हैं, ये हम पढ़ेंगे। So the next topic from this chapter is how groups are formed, how ग्रुप्स आर फॉर्म। सो जो ग्रुप है वो 3 बेसिस पे फॉर्म्ड होते हैं। हाउ ग्रुप्स आर फॉर्म्ड, ग्रुप 3 बेसिस पे फॉर्म होते हैं। सबसे पहला बेसिस होता है प्रॉक्सिमिटी, सेकेंड इज similarity, third is common goal and motive, goal and motives. So these are the 3 important reasons on the basis of which groups are formed. Please note down it. ग्रुप प्रॉक्सिमिटी की वजह से भी फॉर्म होते हैं, सिमिलैरिटी की वजह से भी फॉर्म होते हैं और कॉमन गोल एंड मोटिव की वजह से भी फॉर्म होते हैं। So I am discussing with you that how groups are formed. So groups are formed on the basis of these three main reasons: proximity, similarity and common goals and motive. The first reason which is given over here is proximity. Proximity word, the word proximity means nearness. It is talking about nearness. Proximity means pass. तो सबसे पहला रीज़न तो यही होता है ग्रुप फॉर्म होने का कि प्रॉक्सिमिटी के बेसिस पे भी ग्रुप फॉर्म हो जाता है. नियरनेस. माई फ्रेंड इज लिविंग विद मी जस्ट नियर टू माई होम एंड आई एम कमिंग टुगेदर विद हिम और हर, सो ही इज माई फ्रेंड. अंडरस्टूड. प्रॉक्सिमिटी नियरनेस के बेसिस पे भी ग्रुप फॉर्म होता है. इफ एनी इंडिविजुअल इज तो जैसे जो भी आपके फ्रेंड्स ज़्यादातर आप देखेंगे प्रॉक्सिमिटी भी रीज़न एक होती है. वो मेरे घर के पास रहता है, हम लोग साथ में आ जा सकते हैं, तो ऐसे ही लोगों का एक ग्रुप फॉर्म हो जाता है. who are coming together. The second reason for forming the group is similarity. Obviously, similarity means similar characteristics both of them are possessing. If any person is having the same qualities and characteristics, so they form a group. अगर किसी पर्सन की क्वालिटीज या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स सेम है तो वो एक ग्रुप बना लेते हैं. So groups are also formed on the basis of similarity. Understood? The next basis how groups are formed is the common goal and motive. The people also form the group on the basis of common goal and motive. Other kisi, if any person is having the same motive just like you, so you formed a group with them. You start interacting with that particular individual more because you all you both have a common goal and motive. For example, you also want to become an IAS officer and your friend and other person, other individual is also want to become. So you both approach toward your same goal. So these are some of the basis through which the groups are formed. The groups are formed on the basis of proximity. The group are formed on the basis of similarity, on the basis of common goal and motive. Similarity means you can say that likes or dislikes भी same है. आपको जो पसंद है वो another person को भी पसंद है, dislike भी same है. Similarity on the ground of hobbies. Hobbies आपके भी और उसके दोनों के same हैं. ठीक है. Likes, dislikes I already mentioned. So likes and dislike on the ground of food, clothing, books, places, anything. The place which you like, that particular person also like the most. So these are some of the criteria on which the groups are formed. So what are the things we have discussed today, children, in this video? In this video I had discussed with you why do people join group. Group क्यों join करते हैं? For security, for status, for cohesiveness, for satisfying one's psychological need. What are the types of group? Primary and secondary, formal, informal, in-group and out-group. And the third topic which I had discussed with you, how groups are formed. So groups are formed on the basis of proximity, nearness, on the basis of similarity, the same liking and disliking, and on the basis of common goal and motive. So whatever I had discussed with you in this video, children, I hope you understand it. आपको सभी चीज़ें समझ में आई हैं. Okay. Still, if you have any doubt anywhere, you are going to discuss with me in the classroom. Thank you so much, children.